Hi, we're about to do a jumping jacks cardio workout, but first we're going to do the shuffle and touch. So get ready to shuffle to the side and squat and touch the ground. And go. Shuffle twice to the side, bend over and touch, shuffle and touch. And it's a squat, so don't just bend from your waist. So just shuffle over, touch the ground, doesn't matter which hand. 2 shuffles to the side and touch, shuffle to the side and touch. Stop. Here we go with the jumping jacks. So get ready. Go. Jumping jacks. You've done these since you were a kid. Or what I want to make sure that you do is use good form. So touch your fingers above your head and make your feet about shoulder width, a little wider when they're open. Don't forget to breathe. Good. Stop and burpees. Here we go. Get ready. And go squat down, push up, and jump. You don't have to do the push up. You don't have to do the jump, but you got to go horizontal. And the easy way to do a burpee is see how I squat first and then put my hands down. You don't want to be falling from the sky. So do a squat and then put your hands down. Stop. Ski steps, like you're cross-country skiing. I'll show you how to do these. Get ready. Go. Now switch your feet, touching your feet front and back, and then swing your arms like you got ski poles and you're really digging in. And if you swivel your hips a little bit, it makes it easier and smoother. You want to be smooth because smooth is fast. Stop. Okay, that's the order. It's not going to change. So we're back to the shuffle and touch now, so get ready to shuffle to the side. Go. 2 shuffles, squat, touch, 2 shuffles, squat, and touch. Back and forth, fast as you can. And make sure you squat. You're not just bending from your waist. That you're squatting down, bending your knees, sticking your butt back. Want to engage those quads. Stop and jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Little history on the jumping jack. It was invented by General Blackjack Pershing when he was at the U.S. Military Academy to torture the underclassmen. Great exercise. Fantastic. Staple of the U.S. military. Stop. Burpees. Get ready. Squat and down, push up and jump. Squat down, push up and jump. Like I said, you could leave out the push off if you want, or leave off the jump, or both, but you got to go horizontal and come back up. Stop. Ski steps. Get ready. Go. Ski steps, switching your feet. Make sure they touch front and back to minimize bounce. Swing those arms like you're digging in with those ski poles. And embrace your inner cross-country skier. And stop. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take a 30-second break, take some deep breaths, stretch it out, maybe take a sip of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, online, on-demand workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, we're going to get ready for round 2. Order's going to be the same. Stretch out a little bit more, a few more deep breaths, maybe another sip of water. You got 10 seconds and then we go. Shuffle and touch first. Get ready. And go. 2 shuffles and bend over and touch. 2 shuffles, squat and touch, I should say, really. All right. 2 shuffles to the side, squat, touch, And stop. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks fast as you can with good form, touching your fingers over your head, opening up your feet so they're a little wider than shoulder width. Regular breathing. Make sure that you exhale every few jumping jacks. Oxygen is your friend. Good. Stop. Burpees. Get ready to squat down and put your hands down. Go. Squat. Put your hands down. Push up, jump. Squat. Hands down. Push up, jump. You should probably be able to do them faster than me. I'm an old man. You can go faster. Good. Stop. Ski steps. Get ready. Go. Switching your feet front and back, touching them to the ground front and back, swinging those arms like you got those ski poles. Dig them in now. Go, go, go. Fast as you can. Get that heart rate up. Stop. Shuffle and touch, and one more time through the order. 2 minutes to go. Finish strong. Let's go. And go. 2 shuffles, squat and touch. Shuffle, squat and touch. Good. Keep going. Hang in there. Finish strong. Stop. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks fast as you can. Good form. Make sure to breathe. I think I exhale every other jumping jack. Yours might be a little faster, a little slower, but get a groove, get a pattern. Stop and burpees with a minute to go. Hang in there, keep going. Get ready. Go. Burpees, hands down, up and jump. Squat, hands down, up and jump. Remember, it's easier to do a burpee if you do a squat first. And stop. Ski steps. Get ready. Go. Fast as you can. Good form. Drive up that heart rate. Drive it up. Do those ski steps like you're getting chased by a polar bear. That'll do it. And stop. Okay, hey, if somehow this workout is too short for you, all you need to do is rewind it and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.